Good morning everybody and welcome to my very first English vlog here on YouTube. Last week I have uploaded these two little videos about the nature and I was outside filming and cutting the videos and I had so much fun doing them, so I just thought, why should I not just start vlogging? And I just decided to do it in English because I want to improve my English skills and hopefully this will help. And as you can see, the weather today is very cloudy and rainy, so I will just get my coffee and then sit on the laptop and work for my university. And yeah, let's get shit done. Say hi, Bello. Hi. Alright, so I have been sitting here now for several hours working on my uni stuff and my brain feels just so full and I cannot concentrate anymore. Do you know that feeling when you read a sentence and somehow it feels like your brain can't keep what you just read? So you just forgot what's inside the sentence and you read it again, but you still don't know what's inside there. And that's how I feel at the moment, and that's why I think I need a break. And the best break I can get to get my head cleared is to go out on the fresh air and walk around a little bit. It's just that the weather is not good at all today. It's very cloudy and this makes me a little bit tired, and so I have to motivate myself to just go out because I know that I will feel much better afterwards. So let's just do it. I will go out now. Let's go. So what I did is I brought the drone with me, my boyfriend's drone, because usually he did it. He made the flight videos with the drone when we were walking and making some videos, and now he's working, so it's my turn and I have to figure out how it works first because I've never used it myself actually. But I'm very happy, and it rains a little bit, and actually it's not allowed to fly with the drone when it's raining, but it's only like some very small little water drops, and I just hope that it doesn't do anything to the drone because I really want to test it. Because this area here is so beautiful and I want to show you how it looks like from up there, and I want to see it as well. So let's just have a look. Wow, this is so freaking beautiful. Oh my days. Oh wow. It is so beautiful. Oh. Let me just show you how it looks up there. Unfortunately, I have to stop making drone videos now because it started to rain a bit more and I don't want to hurt the drone or that it gets broken somehow. So I put the drone back in the car and go for a walk because the nature here is so beautiful that I want to just soak in every single moment from here, because walking around in nature and going for a walk always gives me a lot of energy, and I feel so free here because there's no other person walking around, and yeah, it just gives me a lot of energy, and especially now I need it for working for my university stuff, for my bachelor thesis. So I'm going for a walk now. Actually, I have to admit that I'm a little bit sad because all the beautiful leaves are on the floor now, and it looked so beautiful when they were all up there on the trees, but most of the trees are pale. No, not pale. What's the word in English? I don't know. They are empty. No leaves left. But still, now I'm looking at this beautiful view and it looks so amazing, just like in a book. I'm really looking forward to start blogging in English now because I think it's a good idea to do that. So yeah, let's go! This autumn is actually very special for me because it's the first time in my life that I feel happy about autumn. The last years I have been so sad when the summer was ending, and I was concentrating so much in being sad that the summer ends that I didn't see the beautiful sides of the autumn. So the negative things just took all of my thoughts and my time. And this year I decided to start loving autumn and winter. Because back in the days I always thought it was just dark, and cold and uncozy, did you say that? And now I really tried to concentrate actively on the very positive things in autumn. And suddenly I found so many beautiful things. So many, they are all around us everywhere. It's so beautiful, the nature and the fluffy socks and the cozy sofa with the sofa blanket and the hot tea, and all of a sudden I feel so much love and so much happiness for autumn, and I'm so looking forward for winter when the first snowflakes are coming. And I never felt like this before in my life because I always thought, no, please no snow, it's so cold and I have to scratch the windows of my car and I don't want the winter to come. But this year I can't wait because it is so beautiful and it feels so good to go outside and it's cold and the fresh air to breathe, and I can't find this. I could write a book about it. So many beautiful things I see here. Yeah. We all can decide ourselves what we do with our time and our thoughts. We can choose to be unhappy and sad, or we can choose to be happy. And it actually works. Have a beautiful autumn, you guys.